Hi, this is Ji Song, and in this module, we're going to talk about annotation tool, annotation pipeline, and quality control. First, let's look at annotation tool. So what is an annotation tool? For each annotation task, you will use your computer to carry out the annotation. An annotation tool is a computer application that you will use to tag or label text. This is similar to the way you may use Microsoft Word to make writing documents on your computer easy. We will provide you with an annotation tool for your work. The annotation tool will help you make consistent annotations, and it will save you work in a way that the computer can read and understand. Here is an example of what an annotation tool looks like. So this tool is the Entity Annotation tool. It has two panels. The left side panel is the source document. The right side panel is the annotation panel. So you select a text string from the source document and enter it in the right side panel, the annotation panel, to annotate it. Meanwhile, once you annotated one entity, so the source document will also display a color-coded underline to indicate the annotation that you just did. Now let's look at annotation pipeline. What is an annotation pipeline? Some annotation tasks must happen before others because a later task may require information from an earlier task. We call this order an annotation pipeline. For example, before we can begin to annotate a document, we must first identify a document that will work for annotation. So the pipeline for this example would be Task 1. Identify a document in the right language with the right content. Task 2. Annotate the document. Now, let's discuss quality control. What is quality control? Sometimes your work will be reviewed or corrected by another person, or you will review or correct other people's work. This quality control ensures that the data is annotated as accurately as possible. So that's so much about annotation tool, annotation pipeline, and quality control. So you can continue with the quiz.